Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, I got my paramedic license application back in the mail. I've just relocated here from out of state, and I was licensed as a paramedic in another state, and I need to get licensed here so I can start working as a paramedic. I don't really know what I've done wrong.
Okay, let me look at this and we'll see what we can do.
Okay.
Looks like you forgot the verification paperwork.
Man.
Let me go to desk and get the paperwork and I'll be right back.
Thanks.
Hi, welcome to the Paramedic Licensing Unit at the Emergency Medical Services Authority. Applications are often returned for common mistakes. This video will help identify these mistakes and show you how to avoid them. All the information found in this video can also be found on our website.
You can reach the IMSA website by going to www.emsa.ca.gov. Once there, look to the middle of the page and you will see 3 blue tabs. Put your cursor over the Paramedics tab. This will bring up a number of options that you will find helpful as a paramedic. Right now, we are going to look at the link that will take you to the Forms and Applications page. Once on the Forms and Applications page, select the out-of-state application link to open the initial application. As you can see here, there are 2 versions of the initial application form. The link for the Initial Licensure Application is for paramedics whose training is through a California accredited training program. The out-of-state version is for paramedics who did their training outside of California. This video will discuss mistakes made on the out-of-state application. Some of the most common mistakes made on the initial application itself are missing information, failure to complete background questions, and missing signatures. You must fill in every section in the application. As an out-of-state applicant, you must identify all the states that you hold a paramedic card in. If you never certified in another state, put NA on the line asking for states in which you are or were licensed in. Make sure you answer all 3 background questions. If you answer yes to any of the questions, you must include a separate statement about the incident. The statement should include information about when and where the incident took place, as well as any disciplinary actions. We recommend that you send in any court documentation you might have. Please remember to sign your application. Mistakes are also made on the Statement of Citizenship, Alienage, and Immigration Status Form, also known as the IS-01 form. The most common mistakes on this form are missing signatures, missing documentation, and turning in copies of documents that are not notarized. This form is quite long, so don't miss the signature line on the 3rd page. With the IS-01 form, you need to send in one of the following: an original birth certificate, an original passport, other documents as described on pages 4 through 8 of the form, or a notarized copy of one of the above. If you choose to send in a notarized copy, you must have the statement on the screen notarized on the copy or include an original notarized affidavit with the copy. As an out-of-state applicant, you have a few additional requirements you have to meet. Medics often forget or do not realize that they have to send in this paperwork. If your certificate of completion states that the training met DOT or NEMS education standards, you do not have to provide any additional documentation proving this. If it does not, you have to prove that you met these standards. You must provide a statement on letterhead from your training facility or head of your department stating that you have completed 40 ALS contacts. Out-of-state verification forms can be found on our website below the initial application link. These need to be filled out and sent to the states where you hold a license. Another helpful hint: NREMT's website has been updated and medics no longer have access to the same pages. For this reason, we ask that you send in a copy of either your congratulations letter, card, or the printout of your scores. Hopefully this video has helped you better understand the initial application. If you have any questions, call the Paramedic Licensure Unit at 916-323-9866. 75.